Bless up. I don't know, say I knowledge. I don't know. Boy, see a local thing them say boy them pull the plug on Sting this year because they them now have no headline, if you work as Sting. Boy set away still. So me I just give my local input, what I think about Sting, because me work as Sting 3 times and I work as Sting 97 when Buster Rhymes come here and I work there 2003 and I work there 2006, so I talk about Sting local. You see Sting is a great show. As I'm saying, the greatest one night show on earth. Sting is a great, 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 great show. And I'm going to show you why I say Sting is a great show. Even though Sting built up off a clash, the foundation of Sting is clash. And we all know that a building lasts long as its foundation, because once the foundation disappear, then also the building will fall. And the foundation of Sting is clashing. So if you have no clash or no rivalry, you are going to Sting, then also Sting not going to happen. But the good thing about the rival we go on Sting is that it make the artists them bring them A game to the board, For instance, them say, if you get goal, if you see goal beauty, goal have to go through fire. Enough of them artists are bad, so, and bring out them best is because of the fire where them go through, because of some sound clash thing back in the days, or because of Sting, because you say, boy, nobody know how to get boo, nobody know how to get buckler, so you know how to get boy, you know how to get buckler, you come good. So that with rivalry, the rivalry make you bring out the best, we are having inside of you. Because if there was no rivalry, if there was no contest, if there was nothing at all like that, then friends said you then would have just come with any local thing and then piece of people gravitate upon every local thing. But because there is a rival out there, friends you have to do your best. You have to do it. So Sting will come like Anthony Miller then, we give some harsh words. Because enough people see Anthony Miller as a bad person, but we see him as a good person because he give some harsh words, send it back to the drawing board. Not come easy, if you get great things, have to go through great struggle and great things, So Sting is a great good show because it make the youth them build champion and it's also break champion. Even cultural artists, you know, even clash now. You understand? Even cultural artists. You understand? For instance, you say you want to go work as Sting, you have to come with the A game, if you chat some nice things, some bad thing as you call bad because you want to mash up Sting crowd. You understand me? I say so you think deep. And you try to see some things, where you don't know if you see nobody else now coming and you go for Sting. So Sting is like a gateway for champion. A gateway for champion. You understand? So if we last Sting, we're going to last enough champion. But right now, as me I say still, is that them say enough people take advantage of certain situation because enough people lick out on supreme promotion, because I say, boy, they not give them respect, like me a Bounty Killer, and I say, boy, over the years that him keep Sting going, and Ninja Man say same thing, and Leng not give them no respect, and them look at thing, they understand? But what me really have to say still, when a man a fight against Sting, I fight against the younger, future, champion generation them. Even though Ninja Man and Bounty Killer say them build Sting, a Sting also build them. You understand? Make them bring out them A game and bring out the best out of them. You understand? It's vice versa. You build Sting and Sting build it too. You understand me? I say, so enough artists out there, Sting build them. You understand? So we can't really fight against Sting because when we get a chance to work at Sting, I have to say, boy, John, me have to come bad, man. Me have to try things on deep thing. You understand me? I say, so Sting help enough artists out there, Sting help. You understand? But as me I say, if there is no rival go on a Sting, you're not going to have no Sting. Because once you hear about Sting, first thing come to your mind, a clash never go on there. Something will go on there. But Sting start mash up when violence start involving in the clash. Because I Google some clashing when I go on a Sting, with all Pinchers and Sanchez them. And them draw some nice thing and some people draw some different thing and places. Nice. And a war never used to in there. But it's after this gang thing a man start big up all them gang and start build up all them crew and start bring gun in a dance style and start bring all these things. And them thing them mash up Sting, and not really clashing mash up Sting, And the thing them with the people ma put to the clash and I bring it in and I push it out there. You understand? Because enough clashing used to go on a Sting with enough singer. I never hear no war used to go on, fighting never used to go on a Sting. This thing did nice and people know say, boy, me have to study the nice thing and become more dry a Sting. You understand? So Sting make you bring out the best we have in you. You understand? It's just enough of them artists that bring violence in the thing. You understand me? I say, enough man get big and say, boy, them now work Sting again because Sting ungrateful to them. But if you give up on Sting, remember say right now, you give up on enough of the champion them out there. You understand? So I just saw things set up. You understand? Although enough you to say, boy, me didn't want to work Sting because when we go up on Sting, I pay me if you pay if you go up on Sting because they want to charge if you go up on Sting. You understand? Me not going to talk about that because I work on Sting 3 times. You understand? Me never really pay if you go up on it. You understand? You understand? Even though them things they cannot go on still, me not say them things they not go on, them things they are go on. You understand? And that can be the negative part of Sting too. You understand me? I say, so them things they cannot go on still. So enough you say, boy, then go through, them pay out for dues because things, so they have to pay for dues and all them little things still. But a life setting. But all me I say still is that Sting help build the youths them. You understand? So anytime build the youth them and the youth them come greater now, then can't want to fight against Sting. The Sting I go did there for build no other youth. You understand? So much love and respect still. You know, if Sting no keep the year, I hope he keep next year still because I have my youth at the artist thing and one thing get around a Sting. Much love and respect.